What if sabihin ko sa'yo na merong life insurance plan si Sun Life na magbibigay sa'yo ng guaranteed cash payouts every year hanggang mag-age 100 ka? This is Sun Life Secure Income. Explain ko ng mabilis ang mga benefits. First, guaranteed cash benefits. You will get 6% guaranteed annual payout starting at the end of 6th year ng policy mo. Para mas maintindihan, if yung face amount mo is 1 million, meron kang 60,000 guaranteed yearly payout hanggang mag-age 100 ka. Second, guaranteed life insurance coverage, which is doble ng face amount. Example, kapag yung face amount mo ay 1 million, yung magiging life insurance coverage mo ay 2 million para sa mga beneficiaries mo. Third, you can also earn cash dividends na pwede mong makuha yearly or pwede mong iwan with Sun Life para mas kumita pa ito. Fourth, meron din itong unique benefits, which is the centenarian bonus, na you can advance 25% of your face amount at the age of 80, 85, 90, and 95. Tapos, kahit lifetime ang benefits, hindi mo siya lifetime babayaran. You can choose kung 3, 5, 10, or 15 years to pay, depende sa budget at preference mo. Perfect ang plan na to if you are preparing for your retirement para meron kang magamit sa golden years mo. Aside from that, pwede rin natin itong i-position as pamana plan para sa anak at sa apo mo. So if you want to know more, just send me a message para mag-guide kita at ma-explain ko sa iyo ng maayos ang plan na to.